when we are talking about a person, place, or some other thing, at the beginning we say name of them. If we talk about the same person or same thing, instead of name we use other words second time onwards. For example, he, she, that, it. These are called pronoun, means they are used instead of name. For example,
Gandhi was born in Porabandar. Here, first time you are talking about a person, so I have used your name. If you want to talk about the same person, second time onwards, we have to use your pronoun instead of name. Here, he is your pronoun. Instead of Gandhi, I have used here he. Second time onwards, we have to use here pronouns only. For male, we have to use here he. For female, we have to use here she. For single person.
while showing our hand towards a person, we can use pronoun words. For example, he, she. While showing our hands towards one thing, we have to use your pronoun it. If there are things more than one, means many things, then we have to use your pronoun they. In pronoun, there are 5 kinds. The first one is
Subject pronoun.
these subject pronouns are used always at the beginning of the sentence and they come always before the verb. Subject means when we talk about a person, the person who does the action, it will become subject word, and whatever we talk about, even it doesn't do any action, that is also subject. Subject pronouns are
I, you, we, they, he, she, it. They are used at the beginning of the sentence. See here, this is your subject pronoun, this is your subject pronoun, and this is your subject pronoun. This is one technique. One more technique, subject words come always before the verb. See here, teach is your verb and watch is your verb. Bathe is your verb. Subject words are here always before the verb. I,
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 I, you,
you,
we,
we,
they,
he,
he,
he, she, it.
write all the subject pronouns in your notebook. Subject words are given in book and also pronunciation is given in CD. Learn now itself and go further. In pronouns, second one is
object pronoun.
object means on which the action is performed will become object word. It may be person or anything. Usually object words are used always after the verb. In other language, this object word comes always before the verb. But in English, object word comes always after the verb.
Object pronouns are me, you, us, them, him, her, it. Object pronouns are used always after the verb. Love is your verb. I love her. And here she is your verb. Me is your object word. Any sentence it may be. Object words are used always after the verb. Keep it in your mind.
Write all the object words in your notebook. Learn object pronouns and meanings of them looking into book or listening to CD now itself. In pronoun, the third is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns are used when a person does the action and that action is performed on the same person, then reflexive pronouns are used. For example, I beat myself. I only did the action and done on me. In these situations are used reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns usually are used after verb.
Reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, ourselves, themselves, himself, herself, itself, yourselves. Here self is used, self for one person and selves for more than one person, for 2 person, 3 person, 4 person, more than one person. Reflexive pronouns are used usually after the verb. I learnt myself. Learnt is a verb. Myself is a reflexive pronoun. It is used after the verb. One more example. He fell himself. Fell is a verb. Himself is a reflexive pronoun. Here also reflexive pronoun is used after the verb.
Write all the reflexive pronouns now itself in your notebook. Looking into the book, learn spellings and pronunciation. Learn now itself. For that, pause your TV. In pronoun, the fourth is possessive pronoun. Possess means become owner. Possession means property. If there is a property, there must be an owner, right? That ownership pronouns are possessive pronouns. For example, this mobile mine.
This mobile is mine. Possessive pronouns are mine, yours, ours, theirs, his, hers, and there is no possessive pronoun for it.
Mine means I am the owner. It is pronoun. But my is possessive adjective. Learn now.
Possessive adjectives are my, your, our, their, his, her, its.
When name comes, to show ownership after the name, apostrophe s should be added. Apostrophe means a comma which is upset. It is a sign to put after or before any letter. When there is a common noun, means general word. For example, boy, girl. With these words of boy, to say with singular noun, after boy apostrophe s should be written. Then it will become boys. Boys means of one boy. Now boys means more than one, many. Same pronunciation. To say of boys, apostrophe should be put after s letter. Then it will become of boys. All the possessive pronouns and all the possessive adjectives should be written in notebook now itself. Learn pronunciation and spellings of the words looking in the book. For that, pause your TV now. In pronoun, the fifth is general pronoun. General means usual. She means girl or woman. She should be used only for female, means girl or woman. He means boy or man. This should be used for male, boy or man. But
somebody
means an unknown person, that can be used for girl or for boy. All means whole. It can be used only for boys or only for girls or for boys and girls. Like these pronouns are called general pronouns. They are
somebody, nobody, all, both, anybody, everything, something, nothing, few, and some more words are there. General pronouns can be used as subject word also and object word also. For example, general pronoun is used at the beginning of the sentence and it is used before the verb. So here it is subject word. Here general pronoun is used as object word because it is used after the verb. When pronoun or name used at the beginning of the sentence, they will become subject word. And when name, noun or pronouns are used after the verb, they are used always as object words.
general pronouns can be used as subject word and also object word. If it is used before verb and at the beginning of the sentence, it will become subject. If it is used after verb, then it will become object word. All these pronouns are divided again into three persons. The
First person
means I or we. Second is second person means you or yours. Third is third person means he, she, it and they. Again,
first person, singular I, plural we, more than one, two, three, four, like. Second person singular you, and plural also you for more than one person, two, three, four persons. Third person singular he, she, it. Plural form they means for more than one person. Friends,
if you go on watching, you can understand, but you cannot get practice. Words of all these pronouns are given in book and also in CD. Learn the pronunciation of all those words. These are used so much while talking. More general pronouns words are given in book. Learn all the pronouns today itself. Dear students, to speak English, you must know many words. So, learn many words and also read English books daily. Think in English and speak English daily, whether it is right or wrong.